Hey there, little crow, flying high and low, with feathers black as night in the sunshine bright. And parrot friends so green, with colors all aglow. Together side by side through the fields they go. Crow and parrot friends so true, flying through the sky so blue. They sing and laugh all day long in their world where they belong. The crow says caw caw, let's dance and play. The parrot sings squawk, a bright new day. They hop and skip on trees they sit, best friends forever, they'll never quit. Crow and parrot friends so true, flying through the sky so blue. They sing and laugh all day long in their world where they belong. They share their snacks, they share their seeds, helping each other with all their needs. Crows got berries, parrots got brains, together they sing in sunshine and rain. Crow and parrot, what a pair, spreading joy everywhere. With caws and squawks and chirps so sweet, the best of friends you'll ever meet.